and welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Abuja. Here are the top stories trending in northern Nigeria. The Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital Barnawa Kaduna has alerted the Kaduna State Government and relevant security agencies over a possible breakdown of law and order following an alleged plan by some union members to storm the hospital premises on Monday. The Senior Staff Association of Nigerian Universities and the Non-Academic Staff Union of Educational and Associated Institutions have reaffirmed the suspension of the indefinite nationwide strike earlier scheduled to commence on May 11. The President Mahmoud Ibrahim disclosed this in an interview with the news agency of Nigeria on Sunday in Abuja. Ibrahim said the two unions had given a 2-week deadline for the conclusion and signing of agreements within the federal government. It will be recalled that the Joint Actions Committee of SSNU and NASU had on May 1st directed members to embark on an indefinite nationwide strike. The president of the Miyetti Allah Kautal Hore and aspirants for the Taraba Central Senatorial District seat under the platform of All Progressive Congress APC, Bello Bodejo has been handed over to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC in Abuja. Bodejo was arrested on Thursday night by security operatives after arriving in Jalingo via the Dambaba Suntai Airport. Former Kano State Governor Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso has called on the government to compensate social media activist Abubakar Idris Dadiata and his family upon the conclusion of a fresh police investigation into his 2019 abduction. He made the demand while welcoming the Inspector General of Police order for a comprehensive probe into the case. A recent lightning strike has claimed the life of a inspector identified as Inspector Abdul Kadir Garba, known as Brakai, while on duty in Borno State. The incident occurred on Wednesday at about 2 p.m. opposite the Borno State Police Command headquarters in Maiduguri, when the deceased was coordinating vehicle parking alongside ASP Wazani Adamu. Some aspirants contesting for the Kano Central Senatorial seat under the All Progressive Congress APC have reportedly withdrawn from the race in support of former Kano State Governor Malam Ibrahim Shekarau. According to a report obtained by the News Chronicle, the aspirants agreed to step down to pave the way for Shekarau to emerge as the APC candidate for the Kano Central Senatorial seat in Kano State. Several civilians were reportedly killed after a military airstrike hit a settlement near Kusasu in Shiroro local government area of Niger State early Sunday. Residents said the strike occurred around 5 a.m. while military aircraft were allegedly pursuing armed men on motorcycles. Witnesses claimed at least 12 people died in one house, including residents fleeing terrorist attack. The discovery of arms and ammunition in the Gwazari area of Mairi wards within Maiduguri Metropolitan Council has raised serious concern among residents and security stakeholders. The development comes at a time when Borno State remains under heightened security alerts and emergency coordinations. The recovery of such cash within the heart of Maiduguri Metropolis is considered both unfortunate and alarming. Now from the international scene, US President Donald Trump says a hantavirus cruise ship cluster is under very good control. The World Health Organization says it is coordinating with US authorities as infected passengers are hospitalized and contact tracing continues across several countries. 12 policemen have been killed following a car bombing at a police post in the northwestern Pakistani city of Banu, a senior police officer said on Sunday. The attack was followed by a fight between security personnel and militants in the city, according to the officer. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment and share.